The value of U.S. ag exports has increased over the last few years by quite a bit. We were around $150 billion dollars a year between 2010 and 2020, and now we're at around 180 billion. It's a $31 billion increase in just a handful of years. And two countries accounted for a majority of that increase. Let's take a look at Canada in red, Mexico in green. These two countries, when we look at their share of the U.S. ag exports collectively, they were at 12% in the early 1990s, and you've seen that their shares have grown over time. So not only has the total export pie grew, but these two countries have bigger slices of that pie. Today, they're both at 17% for a collective 34% of all of our U.S. ag exports go to these two countries. What stands out here as well is they've both increased their shares meaningfully over the last couple of years. This is really obvious with Mexico, that's gone from about 12% all the way up to 17% in just a handful of years. Now, let's go back to that first chart. Let's think about that. That $31 billion increase I showed you together, Canada and Mexico together were almost 60% of that increase. So, as we talk about the importance of USMCA, we talk about the future of USMCA, it's important to recognize that Canada and Mexico are about a third of all of our ag exports, and they've been about 60% of the recent growth.